This is Mr. Evans' third hour beginning band class, Overland Trail Middle School. This is the second semester, 2015, and we're doing our semi-annual flood drill. So all students now stand up. You go onto your chairs, not touching any electrical devices. Now, anyone in pants must pull them up at least 6 inches, so nothing. You can't, guys, careful. You can't be leaning or touching any electronic devices or things that you could get a shock from if there was any water that came in the room. Don't lean. You can't be leaning against the computers behind you, guys, so everybody's safe. All right, see, that wasn't too bad. So now I have video proof that I can send to district office that you all forgot today is April Fool's and there is no such thing as a flood drill.
You made that email!
I totally made that.
You spelled it off. Oh.
Yeah.
You misspelled it
Yeah,
off.
I can see. I was already suspicious.
I'll give you that one.
April Fools.